Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern typography poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. I need to do some manual selection. Open Layer panel, and add Layer Mask to it. Adjust the image size. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all, and change its font to Go Bold Regular Font. Follow my text spacing setting. Select the image layer, press Ctrl+J to make a copy of it. And drag it at the top of text layer. Right-click on it, and choose Create Clipping Mask. And hide top layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool, and make a selection of that area which is not covered with text. And create a layer mask. Unhide top layer. Follow my other text settings. Rasterize image layer. And delete the bottom area. Create a rectangle shape at the bottom. And follow me. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.